I'm alone. Hey, Lisa, how's it going?
Hi, Mark. I'm good, thanks. Just enjoying some alone time. What about you?
Alone time. Oh boy, don't get me started. I've been feeling so alone lately. It's like I'm my own personal island, you know?
Oh no, Mark. I didn't mean to bring up a sensitive topic. I'm sorry if I hit a nerve.
Haha, no worries, Lisa. I was just trying to be dramatic. But seriously, being alone can have its perks too. I mean, who needs company when you have Netflix, right?
Haha, true. Nothing like a good binge, watching session to keep you company. But I must admit, sometimes being alone can get a little boring too.
Absolutely. That's when your imagination comes into play. You can create an entire fictional world with just your thoughts. I've got a whole cast of characters up here in my mind.
Oh, really? Tell me more. Who are these characters you've conjured up in your imaginative world?
Well, there's Captain Adventure, a fearless explorer who braves the dangers of grocery shopping during rush hour. And then we have Professor Clumsy, a genius scientist who manages to spill coffee on himself at least 3 times a day.
Haha, those sound like quite the characters. I'd love to meet them someday. Maybe we can have a superhero-themed costume party and bring them to life.
That's a brilliant idea, Lisa. I can already picture us in spandex suits, fighting off evil dust bunnies and untangling phone charger cables.
Haha, that would be a sight to behold. But you know, being alone doesn't always mean you're lonely. Sometimes it's nice to have some me time and recharge your batteries.
You're absolutely right, Lisa. It's like hitting the reset button on your social life. Plus, you don't have to worry about pleasing anyone else. It's all about doing what makes you happy.
Exactly. I find solace in doing the things I love, like painting or reading a good book. It's like escaping to a world of creativity and imagination.
That sounds wonderful, Lisa. I've always wanted to try my hand at painting. Maybe I'll give it a go during one of my alone sessions. Who knows? I might discover my hidden talent as the next Picasso.
Haha, I'd love to see your masterpiece, Mark. Just remember, it's not about the end result, but the joy you find in the process. And who knows, you might become the Picasso of stick figures.
Hey, stick figures have character. But you're right. It's all about embracing the journey, whether it's in painting or in life. Alone or not, we can always find ways to express ourselves and find happiness.
Absolutely, Mark. Life is full of unexpected twists and turns, but it's how we navigate through them that matters. And having some alone time gives us a chance to reflect, grow, and appreciate the little things.
Well said, Lisa. Alone time is like a mini vacation for the soul. It allows us to recharge, refocus, and come back stronger than ever. Plus, it gives us an excuse to have conversations with our pet goldfish. They're excellent listeners, you know.
Ha ha! Yes, pets can be great companions when you're alone. I talk to my cat all the time, even though I'm pretty sure she doesn't understand a word I'm saying. But hey, it's the thought that counts, right?
Absolutely. They may not understand the words, but they definitely understand the love and affection. And who knows, maybe one day we'll develop a universal language for humans and pets. Until then, we'll keep babbling away.
Ha ha! Let's hope that day comes soon. Until then, we'll just have to continue our one-sided conversations with our furry friends. But hey, at least we won't have any arguments, right?
That's a definite perk, Lisa. No disagreements, no heated debates, just pure and unconditional love. Maybe being alone isn't so bad after all. It's like having a personal cheerleader in the form of a fluffy buddy.
You're absolutely right, Mark. So let's embrace our alone time and make the most of it. Whether it's talking to imaginary characters, exploring our creative side, or having deep conversations with our pets, there's always something to enjoy.
Cheers to that, Lisa. Here's to the beauty of solitude and the adventures it brings. And hey, if we ever feel too lonely, we can always have a party with our fictional characters. They'll never bail on us.
Haha, you're absolutely right, Mark. Our imaginary friends will always be there, rain or shine. So let's make the most of our alone time and create some unforgettable memories.
Agreed, Lisa. Now, let's go conquer the world, one solo adventure at a time. Alone, but never truly alone.
Absolutely, Mark. Alone and proud. Let the adventures begin.
Baby. Hey, Emily, have you heard the big news?
Hi, Mike. No, what's the big news? Don't keep me in suspense.
Well, guess what? John and Sarah are going to have a baby.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. I'm so excited for them. Do they know if it's a boy or a girl?
Not yet. They want it to be a surprise. But I can already see John practicing his dad jokes for the little one.
Haha, that's classic John. I'm sure he'll be the funniest dad ever. And Sarah, she must be glowing with joy.
Absolutely, Emily. Sarah has that radiant mom to be glow. I bet she's already planning the cutest baby outfits and stocking up on diapers.
Haha, moms in their diaper stockpiling skills. It's like they're preparing for a major apocalypse of baby messes. But hey, better safe than sorry, right?
Definitely. You can never have too many diapers when it comes to babies. They're like little tornadoes of cuteness and chaos, all rolled into one tiny package.
That's so true, Mike. Babies have a unique talent for wreaking havoc while looking absolutely adorable. It's like they have a secret agenda to take over the world with their cuteness.
Haha, you might be onto something, Emily. The cuteness overload is their secret weapon. So, have you ever thought about having a baby of your own?
Oh, I'm not quite there yet, Mike. Right now, my plants are my babies. And let me tell you, they require a lot less diaper changing.
Haha, fair enough, Emily. Plants are low-maintenance companions. But one day, when the time is right, who knows? Maybe you'll have a baby plant and join the ranks of the green-thumbed parents.
Haha, a baby plant sounds like a great first step towards parenthood. It'll prepare me for the day when I have a little human tornado running around.
Absolutely. Baby steps. Pun intended. But let's not forget the most important question. What will John and Sarah name their baby?
Oh, the baby name dilemma. It's always a tough decision. I can already see them going through countless baby name books, making lists, and playing the yes, no maybe game.
Haha, the struggle is real, Emily. Choosing the perfect name is like finding a needle in a haystack. But hey, if they need help, we can always suggest some unique and unforgettable names like Banana or Cupcake.
Haha, I'm sure they'll appreciate our creative input, Mike. Banana and Cupcake would certainly make for interesting birth announcements. But let's hope they go for something a bit more traditional.
You're right, Emily. Traditional names never go out of style. And who knows, maybe they'll come up with something that's both timeless and fits their baby's unique personality.
That would be perfect, Mike. A name that captures the essence of their little bundle of joy. But you know, babies have their own way of naming themselves with their adorable gurgles and babbles.
Haha, so true. Emily, Their baby language is like an undiscovered dialect waiting to be deciphered. It's like they're inventing their own secret baby club with their cute gibberish.
Absolutely, Mike. I can just imagine the secret baby meetings with their own language, codes, and epic diaper battles. It's a world we can only catch glimpses of, but never fully understand.
Haha, the world of babies, where anything is possible. One moment they're giggling uncontrollably, and the next they're wailing like they've lost 100 teddy bears.
Oh, the emotional roller coaster of babies. It's like they have a built in drama meter that goes from zero to meltdown in seconds. But hey, it's all part of the joy and chaos of parenthood.
That's true, Emily. Parenthood is a wild adventure filled with sleepless nights, endless diaper changes, and a whole lot of love. It's like being on a permanent amusement park ride, with no lines and no height restrictions.
Haha, that's a hilarious way to put it, Mike. No lines and no height restrictions, just an epic ride through the ups and downs of raising a tiny human. It's a wild journey that's both challenging and rewarding.
Absolutely, Emily. And let's not forget the endless baby milestones that parents eagerly anticipate. From the first smile to the first steps, each milestone brings a mix of joy and proud parent moments.
Oh, those milestones are precious memories. I can already see John and Sarah filming every moment, cheering on their baby's first attempts at crawling or their adorable baby babbling.
Haha, they'll have enough footage to make a blockbuster baby movie. They can call it The Adventures of Captain Cuteness, a journey through diapers and delight.
That's a movie I'd definitely watch. Mike, I can already see it winning the Academy Award for Best Performance by a Baby in a Leading Role.
Absolutely, Emily. That baby will be the next big superstar, capturing hearts with their adorable antics. They'll have their own fan club, complete with baby-sized merchandise and fan mail.
Haha, and we'll be their biggest fans, Mike. We'll have front row seats at every baby milestone, cheering them on with enthusiasm and capturing the precious moments with our imaginary baby paparazzi cameras.
That's the spirit, Emily. Front row seats and imaginary paparazzi cameras, documenting the amazing journey of this little bundle of joy. We'll be there every step of the way, celebrating the laughs, the tears, and everything in between.
Absolutely, Mike. Because at the end of the day, babies bring so much happiness and love into our lives. They remind us to embrace the simple joys, cherish the little moments, and laugh through the chaos.
You couldn't have said it better, Emily. Babies have this magical ability to turn our world upside down, and yet we wouldn't have it any other way. They're a constant source of laughter, love, and a daily reminder of the beauty of life.
That's so true, Mike. So here's to John and Sarah's upcoming adventure into parenthood. May their baby bring them an abundance of love, laughter, and a never-ending supply of baby wipes.
Cheers to that, Emily. Let the baby adventures begin, filled with joy, diapers, and countless memories. Parenthood, here they come.